about to disappear. We call it anticyclonic gloom in the trade, and we're going to lose that anticyclone as low pressure moves in from both the north and from the south actually. That's the way things have been today, with the brightness such as it was in western parts up into northern Scotland. Everything really hinges on this cold front now approaching the far north of Scotland. That's going to push southwards across northern Britain tomorrow. It'll push south across the rest of the country on Friday. It'll certainly introduce cold winds from the north, a freshening wind. It'll also bring some sleet and snow, so there will be a sting in the tail across the south as that cold front hesitates across more southern counties during much of Friday. And then more wind and rain moving in from the northwest once we get through to the weekend. So it's all change in the next few days. No big change at all tonight. It's going to be a very misty night over all the high ground, some fog as well. Some rain and sleet pushing down across northern parts of Scotland in particular, and the odd patch of drizzle further south as well, but of no consequence. Temperatures generally will be a few degrees above freezing, say 1 to 3 in many areas, but just for the higher level roads of Wales up into the Pennines, there could be close to freezing there for a while. Now the winds are certainly going to pick up tomorrow from the north. You'll see them firing in across northern Britain as we go through the day, and they're going to be pretty bitter winds too as we run through the afternoon into the evening. Even in the south, eventually, we'll find a bit of a bite to that wind developing. First thing on Thursday morning though, very grey once again, some drizzle, some mist over the hills too. Sleet and snow pushing southwards across Scotland though during the day. The snow pretty high ground, I would think, no great worries I would think for most roads. And then eventually some colder winds with wintry showers feeding in across many northern parts of Scotland. Further south, especially on the western side, and maybe through northern England for a time, the skies will brighten up, but I think it is going to be brighter rather than sunnier. It's certainly going to be a pretty cold day once again on Thursday. And then on Friday we've got that front which I talked about at the beginning. That's going to be hesitating across southern parts of England and Wales. It will bring some sleet and snow, and the snow will not necessarily be on the Downs and the Chilterns. It will be on some lower ground as well, so a touch of winter in the air I think on Friday. But eventually for many northern and central parts it will brighten up again from the north, although by the end of the day we'll find more rain and some snow for the hills moving in to those northwestern parts. And then the rain and sleet and snow having cleared away from the south on Saturday, it's fog and frost overnight. And that's it from me.